Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech.
Today, we're diving into the Seauto Shark Pool Cleaner.
A Wi-Fi enabled and battery-powered device that promises to keep your pool spotless with minimal effort. Priced at $999, the Seauto Shark is designed to make pool maintenance a breeze. Its wire-free design, battery power, and smart routing technology ensure effective cleaning of debris from both the bottom and sides of your pool. The Shark is a versatile cleaner suitable for above-ground and in-ground pools of up to 2,150 square feet and a maximum depth of 9 feet. It's compact, measuring 9.8 by 15.6 by 18.8 inches, and weighs 19.8 pounds, sporting a sleek white finish with black trim. 2 rubber tracks propel the device, while rubber scrubbers loosen dirt for the vacuum slot to capture. The sonar sensor and smart routing technology work together to create an efficient cleaning path for your pool. With its rechargeable 10,400 mAh battery, the Shark provides up to 4 hours of cleaning time on a single charge, taking around 3 hours to recharge. The top of the cleaner features a multi-function button and LED indicator for easy operation. You can select from 4 cleaning modes: all cover, waterline only, floor only, and wall only. The Seauto mobile app allows you to control the cleaner remotely, choosing the mode, cleaning speed, and duration. The Shark's cleaning performance is impressive, efficiently tidying up your pool's floor, walls, and waterline. However, it lacks some features like water temperature readings, a full filter indicator, and a spot cleaning option. The cleaner may experience some connectivity issues underwater, requiring you to remove it from the pool to re-establish a Wi-Fi connection and change the cleaning mode. On the positive side, the Seauto Shark is cable-free and easy to operate, making it a hassle-free pool cleaning solution. However, it falls short on certain features offered by its competitors. The lack of remote steering, water temperature readings, and app-based spot cleaning may be a drawback for some users. Also, once the cleaning cycle is complete, you'll need to use the included hook and a pole to remove the cleaner from the pool. In conclusion, the Seauto Shark is an effective and user-friendly pool cleaner. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills solution to keep your pool pristine, this might be the one for you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews.